stay home, stay safe. This is our main motto, to protect ourselves from corona, and you have to follow this rule and stay home, stay safe. Use sanitizer and mask when you go out, and you must maintain 6 feet away from anybody. Through that only you can protect yourself from corona. This is a pandemic situation. That is why we know how to protect ourselves from corona, and you have to do exercise every day, and you have to do yogasanas every day. Through that you can protect yourself, and do pranayamas also in the similar sense. Why? Because in this situation innumerable people lost their lives, so that's why we have to protect yourself. And if we do this, we can protect ourselves, and no one can create any danger to us. So that's why you have to follow this. And today I would like to start this lesson, that is opposite words, antonyms of the I make words, and with this we'll make some sentences, and we'll discuss about this. Ever means eppudu ane bhavana. I have ever seen Taj Mahal. I have ever seen Taj Mahal. And opposite of this word is never. I have never seen Taj Mahal. Ever is very different from never. Have you ever sung a song? I have never sung a song. Never sung a song. పాడావా? పాడలేదు. నెగిటివ్, పాజిటివ్. సో కాయిల్డ్ మీన్స్ రౌండెడ్, చుట్టబడి ఉంటాం. దానికి ఆపోజిట్స్గా స్ట్రైట్ అండ్ డైరెక్టర్. I coiled my mat. The snake coiled itself in the corner. The snake coiled itself in the corner of the room. So in this way we'll discuss this. The snake coiled itself. I must draw straight lines only. The railway tracks are straight lines. The railway tracks are straight lines. So you must move forward straightly. You must move forward straightly. If you are straight, you can reach your target. No one can stop you. So if you want anything, you ask directly. Don't bend yourself, and move yourself in a right path. So then next one is fell. Fell ante padipoyindi. Daniki opposite raised. He fell down from the train. He fell down from the train. He fell down from the train. He fell into the debits. He fell into the debits. And at the same time, he raised his hands. Raised means like this. Fell down means downfall. So he raised his hands. His credits are raised. His CIBIL score is raised. So that means enhancement, increasing. So now we are, and at the same time, the price of the goods are raised. The price of the goods are raised. So you know this, raised means increasing, enhancement. And at the same time, here you see silent and noise. You must maintain silence in the class. నిశ్శబ్దంగా ఉండాలి. You must maintain silence in the class. Why do you make too much noise? Why do you make too much noise? This is not good for you. Why do you make too much noise? This is the clear state, you should know that. And at the same time, they are making too much noise in the class. They are making too much noise in the market. In the market, the vehicles are making too much noise in the city area, in the urban area. And be silent, don't make noise. Question, answer. You have to answer my question. క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ అంటే ప్రశ్నించటం, ఆన్సర్ అంటే జవాబు ఇవ్వటం. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ మై క్వశ్చన్. మై క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రైట్. యువర్ ఆన్సర్ మస్ట్ బి స్ట్రైట్. సో డూ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ మా? These are question and answer. These two are the opposite words. And when you ask question, you expect answer from anybody. Is this right or not? So now the next one is came, vachanu. Daniki opposite went, veldenu. I came from my school. I came from my school by 4:40 p.m. 4:45 p.m. I came from my school by 4:45 p.m. I came from Delhi. I came from Khammam. I came from Kottagudem. So like that. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చాను అని చెప్పడం కోసం. Came. I came to Hyderabad. నేను హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చాను. I came to Hyderabad. I came to Bhadrachalam. I came to attend the meeting. నేను ఇక్కడికి మీటింగ్కి అటెండ్ కావడానికి వచ్చాను. ఐ కేమ్ టు ఫేస్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ. నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూకి అటెండ్ కావడానికి వచ్చాను. సో ఇలా చెప్పవచ్చు. వెంట్, హీ వెంట్ టు హైదరాబాద్ టు అటెండ్ ది ఇంటర్వ్యూ. హీ వెంట్ టు హైదరాబాద్ టు అటెండ్ ది ఇంటర్వ్యూ. హీ వెంట్ టు ఢిల్లీ టు పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ ద పార్లమెంట్ సెషన్స్. అవర్ Khammam MP went to Delhi to attend in the parliament sessions, Sansad sessions. And from means starting point. I came from Bapuji Nagar area. I came from Bapuji Nagar area. Someone came from Gattaigudem. Someone came from Gattaigudem. You came from Kinnaresani dam site. She came from Pusugudem. That means where they come from we have to show in this particularly. So at the same time you see another thing, to means reaching point. I am going to market. I am going to school. He is going to temple. She is going to mosque. They are going to church. So that means where they are going we have to show thoroughly in this sense. So discussing, misrepresent. Discussing means చర్చించుట. Misrepresent means no discussion, take the own decision, monotonous. So they are discussing about our constitution. They are discussing about our constitution. She is discussing about nature. He is discussing about environment. Someone is discussing about peace, and they are discussing about international solidarity. So that is nothing but he is misrepresent this particular point. He misrepresent on environment. She misrepresents on evaluation. You misrepresent on environment, ecological system, imbalance system, everything. Attentively means you are right now you show clear attention on clear subject. ఏదైనా సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద శ్రద్ధ వహిస్తే దాన్ని అటెంటివ్లీ. He gave speech attentively. He gave speech attentively. He talks everything attentively. He wrote everything attentively. He presided over the meeting attentively. Means straightforwardness. Carelessly. He is doing everything carelessly. they are not doing well. Their business is always careless motto. They are doing anything carelessly. They need not to take care of anything. That's what I would like to say. So they are leaving their books carelessly. They are not placing their books. They are not placing their books carefully. They are placing their books carelessly. They are writing notes carelessly. That means they are not attentively and continued means అలా కొనసాగించటం. They continued their studies. They continued their studies. He continued his fighting. And economists continued to researching on our economic status. Economics continued to research on our economic status. So in this way, in our democracy, we continue to save our democracy in a correct manner, in an appropriate manner. He discontinued his studies. He discontinued his studies. He discontinued his business. She discontinued her work. Tale means it's a story, katha. My grandfather told me a fairy tale. My grandfather told me a fairy tale. My grandfather told me a fairy tale. It is not a tale, it is realism. It is not a tale, it is realism. Story means it's a story. Realism means what we have seen is right. This is the clear state. And hot. The climate is very hot in the summer season. The climate is very hot in the summer season. The climate is very hot. And it's a cool climate. It's a cool climate. If we go to the polar areas, we can see the cool climate in any season. In any season. And night means ratri, day, pagalu. I go to bed in the night. I go to bed in the night. I meet my friend tonight. I meet my friend tonight. And I do exercise in the day time. I do exercise in the daytime. I do my business in the daytime. I meet my friend in the daytime. I can do anything in the daytime. So, returned means Yenizirgatam. He returned from Mumbai. He returned from Mumbai. She returned from Hyderabad. They returned from Chennai. They returned from Chennai. So in the similar way, here you see, they set out to attend the meeting. They set out to attend the meeting. They throw away the garbage. They throw away the wastage. They throw away the useless things. The train departed at 5 a.m. The train departed at 5 a.m. So like that. These are ups. And heard. I heard a good news. I heard a good news. And he He dismissed the meeting. He dismissed the meeting. I had a meeting. He dismissed the meeting. And above the ceiling, I observe innumerable rats. Above the ceiling, I observed innumerable rats. And below means there is a pen below the cot. There is a pen below the fridge. There is a box below the basket. So like that we can say opened. He opened the market. He opened his new business. He opened his new business. He closed his business. This is familiar one. This tone is familiar one. This book is familiar one. This area is familiar one to every one of this country. They are unknown to me. They are unknown to me. This area is unknown to me. This forest is unknown to me. So like that we can say. And shared. We must share. We had already shared our feelings. We had already shared our feelings. You had already shared your ideas. They had already shared their views. She had already shared her profit. She had already shared her profits. So in this way we can say, we can see individual development. Everyone believe that individual must play very important role in this country. They must feel as civilian. They must be a breadwinner. Be independent, not too dependent. Not dependent means we must always earn something for ourselves, for our bread, anything else. And don't show your hand. Don't show your hand for anybody's help. It's not correct. So that's why you must empower your individuality. Don't leave your individuality. And don't feel lonely. We are all along with you. Don't feel lonely. We are all along with you. And be independent. Be independent. Don't be dependent. Do you understand? If you are independent, you can do miracles. We fought for independence. We had fought for independence. How many years? I think about 200 years. Is it right or not? So that's why be individual. We must maintain our individuality. We don't want to forget that. And you took a good decision. You took a good decision. You have to follow that. You took a good decision. Manchi nirnayam teeskunnam. You have to follow this. She gave me a good advice. She gave me a good advice. She gave me good advice. Sorry, she gave me good advice. I have to follow in my entire life. I have to follow in my entire life. So that's it. And you must lighted your candle. So you must lit your candle. He had already lighted his lantern. He had already lighted his lantern. Put out the light. Put out the light. Don't waste of your time. You have to extinguish the light. This house is electrified. This house is electrified. This village is not electrified. And this vehicle bore. This thing is very big. This thing is very big. And I want small things only. I want small things only. I am in a rented house. Of course, I must be owned a new house. Or must be owned a new house. So tomorrow we shall continue our class. Have a good day. We'll continue later.